Hey everyone, welcome back to OK Gen Z. In today's episode, we're going to be doing our first unboxing video. And what we've got here is the Thinkware Q800 Pro front and rear 2-channel dashcam. So this is one of the more premium dashcams, and this particular one retails for about £300 normally. You can find it on Amazon for about $275, and that's today in May 2022. But I managed to find this on a website, which, let me just bring up the name, ineedatracker.com. So they were running a promo where they were selling this front and rear dashcam for $269, and then they had a 5% discount on top. So I managed to grab it at £255. So, like I said, it's a Thinkware Dashcam Q800 Pro, 2-channel front and rear, that being the rear obviously, and this one here being the front one. And some of the features that stood out to me, I guess, was that's the different language over here. It's a 2K dashcam, so I believe the front dashcam is 1440p. Obviously, it's a Quad HD Sony whatever sensor that is, and it's 140-degree viewing angle. I think the rear dashcam is not 2K. I think that's just 1080p. But that's, I'm not too fussed about the rear one. But it's a nice plus that it comes with it. So this particular one, what stands out a little bit was that it has a link to the Cyclops database. So any fixed speed cameras, it should notify me. So this does have a speed camera detection. It also has something like a lane assist feature, and I think accident detection, whatever. But this is mainly about the unboxing, so let's get started. So yeah, that's the front. That's some of the features it has. Great dashcam. One thing to note here is that this is a hard wiring dashcam, so this will not just go into the cigarette lighter, although you can get a separate adapter, I believe, from Thinkware. And they also do just the front dash camera, so if you want that by itself, I believe it's £230. But if you can get it around £255 like I did, you may as well get both. So let's get started on the unboxing. So I have my trusty knife here. I'm trying to record this for the first time as a little POV, so apologies if I messed that up. There we are. Let's open that up. So what do we have? So right at the top, looks like we have the front dash cam. So let's open that up. Get rid of that piece of plastic. So yeah, this is the front dash cam. So this is the 1440p dash cam. So it has a power on button, Wi-Fi hotspot button, format obviously, and then probably a mute button for the actual dash cam. There we are. That's about it. That's the actual thing, and I believe it should twist, yeah. So this would get, I guess, stuck onto your windscreen like that, and then you can adjust that for the viewing angle. So it feels, I mean, it's light, but it does feel decent quality. So yeah, wiring HDMI, DCI in. I guess that's where the GPS sensor is. These grooves here, I believe, is you put the mounting bracket on the windscreen itself, and then you hook that into place. What is that? That is the micro SD. It doesn't look like it comes with one unless it's in the box. We'll have to check. But yeah, let's put that aside and then see what other parts there are. Cool. So let's lift that out the way. And we have another piece that we lift out the way. So you have the manual book and the quick start guide. Don't think we'll need that, but you never know. You can Google around, try to figure it out. So this seems to be the hard wiring kit itself. Let's move that box out the way. Open this up. Put that away. So yeah, this seems to be the hard wiring lead. Let's just undo that. So we've got this bit, I guess, which just fits directly into the dash cam to supply the power. And then let me open this up a little bit. And then the other side of it is just these here. So I guess these tap into the fuses. I'm not sure exactly how that works, but I'm going to have to find a YouTube video when I try and install it onto my car. So these red and yellow ones, you would tap into the fuse itself, and then this one would go onto any grounding point in your car. Now I might need to get some fuse taps, I think, to try and get that cleanly installed onto my car. And I assume one of them goes to constant power, so that we can enable the parking mode on the car, so that, you know, whenever I get hit, while my car is turned off, it's still recording and it still has power. And the other one, I assume, goes to the to a fuse that basically only gets power when my car is on. I assume anyway. I have no idea about hardwiring, but I am going to give it a go myself, so I'll update in the comments, and if I can be bothered, I'll make an install video. And then these bits here, I'm not entirely sure what they are, but whatever, they come with the hardwiring kit, and I guess, yeah, this is specifically made for the Thinkware one, so that comes in the box as standard, as opposed to, I guess, the cigarette lighter bit. So then, what is this? So that's the next piece. Oh, I guess this is the rare one. So nice form factor here. So it has a bit of 3M tape, I guess, to stick it onto the rear window. And that's the connector to go connect it to the front of it. And again, does this? Yeah, this one twists as well. So I guess it sticks up, and then you twist it for the viewing angle. And just to compare, that's the front and that's the rear. Cool. So let's put those aside as well. And what have we got next? We've got some massive cable. I assume this is the cable to connect the rear side camera to the front. So bear with me while I struggle to open this. I think I'm just not going to unwind this. I think it's self-explanatory. You got this side and you got this side. This will connect to the rear camera right at the back of your car, and this will connect into the front part of the dash cam. That's quite a long piece of cable. Let me see if I can figure out how many meters or whatever that is. So what else have we got here? We have got an installation location of dash cams in the UK. I guess it's just saying don't be an idiot when you put the dash cam, put it in the center of the window. So I mean, if you need that, then you need help. Otherwise, customer service information, again, bits and pieces that probably go in the trash. And Thinkware Cloud, this might be useful. This might be to download the specific apps you need. So let's put that to the side. And then, what is this? Oh, I see. Okay. So I believe this might be the polarizing filter. So we've got a bit of a cleaning cloth. Yeah, so this is the polarizing filter. I think it's to help the front camera to deal with glare. So you just stick this thing onto the front camera lens, and that should help with some glare. Not sure we'll have much glare here in the UK because our weather is shit, but you know. Okay, so this here, I keep moving the box out the way. Oh, we do have a SD card, sick. That's good, save myself some money there. So this seems to be the mounting plate, so I guess this is what sticks. I don't know, my hands are shaky because I had too much coffee, but so this seems to be the mounting plate. So I guess this sticks onto the windshield, and then of course the front rear camera, oh sorry, the front dash cam would just hook into that, which is nice because it does mean you can, I guess, take it off without having to take off a suction mount or whatever. So this can always stay on your window, and for whatever reason you need to take off your dash cam. Maybe you want to, you know, although you can see the footage through the app, maybe the app is buggy, you want to directly get it from the SD card. Maybe you can just take it off like that and bring it inside and connect it up to your computer. So I think that's a really cool piece of design. Let's put that aside. Again, that's 3M tape that will just go onto your window. What else have we got here? I believe this is just some extra 3M tape. Again, if the first one does have any issues, or you need to change it, you know, get rid of that and reattach it. You got a spare one, which is great. what we have here is a USB to SD card reader, or sorry, a SD card reader as well, I should say. So yeah, you can just take the micro SD card out directly from your dash cam and then plug this into your computer, which is really good because you never know, you never know how buggy apps are. So if the app is playing about, simple enough, you just get your SD card, shove it in there, plug it into your computer, and you should be able to see the files. Whether you need to install something on your computer or not, I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll get to that later. What is this? Okay, so this seems to be some 3M and some plastic molds, which I think just helps with the cable routing. So I believe you just stick these as well along your window, just to have a clean routing of your wires. So that's quite nice. And then finally is just the SD card. So they came with a, what is this? 32 gig SD card. Um, So that's great because sometimes they do complain, especially if we were to get some external SD cards like Samsung, for example, they don't really work well with dash cams, and different manufacturers have different dash cam memory stick preferences. So they gave me this, so I'm just going to stick with this. And that's pretty much it. Um, from the reviews I've read, this is a really cool dash cam. For me, the features that stand out is it's a 2K front dash cam, comes with a rear camera. It's a hardwired one because I want my car to be recorded and protected while it's parked and during the night, for example. And mainly for me, the speed camera. I don't know how great that database is. I think it's the same database, the Cyclops database that Garmin uses. So I'll give that a test and I'll update the comments. And like I said before, if I do an install video, then I'll do an install and review video and I'll post this on YouTube. But that's all. Hope you like the unboxing. Any questions? Just give me a shout.